Hello everyone, we're doing a video for the daily forecast for Money Squared YouTube channel. Because I'm a bit slow talker in English, I suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed because it's still very good understandable. And yeah, let's move on. We start from gold. Let's start from the monthly time frame. On monthly time frame we can see gold that is starting to create a bit of wick, but still strong monthly time frame. Weekly time frame, previous week didn't have a strong wicks, and today we flipped bearish, so we can see a bit of downside possibly. On a daily we're having a clear resistance here. Next day, today we break out the previous 2 days low, so yeah, we are in a bit of bearish momentum, I would say. Daily, let's clean this quickly. On the 4 hour, we have came down during London session. We made this wick, we cleaned this traffic to the left side, and then we printed a 4-hour bullish, week bullish. So if we come close below this level, we can fill up this whole region here, I believe. But we need to be cautious. We need to use that with momentum. In 1 hour also we made the low, came back, formed resistance, retest the low again, as our setup suggests, which we're gonna see it now on the 30-minute. So this is one of the setups that we use usually when price creates a low, comes back, forms resistance, breaks the low of the resistance candle. We enter in order to retest the low, to retest this low, comes back, forms resistance. Usually resistance is previous support, just as in this case this is previous support. We form resistance right over here, and now we retest the low. But as of now we need to see and be cautious, because we are in a double bottom, we can call it, and we are start to forming support here. So we have two setups that can be in play. If the support is formed, we need more confirmation in higher time frame for price to come up and retest again this resistance. Usually we need to break the support confirmation candle and close above support, and then retest this region here, retest this area here. Or the other setup that we're planning today is a candle confirmation below this support here, like this, and then next candle to move down to retest this previous support, or potentially come up and retest this whole big support here. So yeah, we need more candles to confirm which will be our setup. But yeah, this is for gold. For GJ, we have monthly bearish, creating a wick, retracing a bit, weekly bullish still, finding that support. Daily has started to reject a bit, possibly a wick. Previous 3 days are bullish, but we didn't break the previous day high, so if we come up, flip this candle, break this candle high, we can potentially come up and see this. In the 4-hour we are still at the major resistance that we are all week. We are waiting for this resistance to break, to come up and retest 167 level. On the 1 hour we are in a range. We need to break this range in order to either come down or come potentially up to this 2 levels. In the 1 hour, yes. In the 30-minute, these are the two setups that we are planning to trade today. One of them is break support of the range. So if price closes below support and next candle breaks the low of the confirmation candle that closes below support, we enter a sell possibly to this region and to this region. So in the other case, if we find support here, we need to come back up and break resistance, just like in this scenario. Break resistance, close above resistance with clear candle closure, break the high of the confirmation candle, and then take buys. So yeah, we don't have a setup to enter a trade yet, but we are monitoring close, and we're gonna do update either when we take the trades or when we do the daily roundup video. Thank you very much. This was the daily forecast for Gold and GJ for Money Squared YouTube channel.